For this book reading, I'm going to use the movie Office Space to illustrate more the examples in my book. In chapter 3, it says, "It is not the purpose of this book to use its valuable space to talk about those simple things. We will use better this space and paper if we talk about the mystic, the hidden, the profound, the sensations you get while observing all this traffic mess." We were talking about the highways in big cities. And the highway looks like a giant parking lot, and it's moving bumper to bumper. As strange sensations invade us, a feeling of being always driving in the idiot's slow lane because the other lanes are moving a little bit faster. I think everybody has experienced this. To prove this theory, we change lanes, and immediately we feel that all the people driving in this lane change their status to idiot, and the traffic slows down while the traffic at other lanes speed up. We change lanes again, and the traffic on this new lane slows down while all the others speed up. This is the movie Office Space when it starts showing this situation. And we start suspecting if it's us, the ones causing that effect. Look at this guy. His line is not moving, and the other lines are moving faster. He changed lines. It happens to us every day in big cities, in the highways, in the streets. Look at the guy, at the old guy. It's moving faster than him. We would be scared if we were aware of all the cosmic forces that are acting upon us at that moment, and the great number of planets that align at the immense amount of cosmic rays that concentrated to transmit us the force and power necessary to cause such effects in other persons and machines. Now we go to chapter 8, the S theory. S theory, we need to talk about something first. Confirms supersymmetry and posits the existence of a new set of subatomic particles, twins of the ones we know, like electrons and quarks, along with new ones that don't have to need to be found at Fermilab or CERN anymore. Those guys over there just announced they found the Higgs boson, used this past summer, particle they have been looking for 50 years thanks to their recently installed detectors Atlas and CMS. They did so as soon as they received the order from the fraternity that everything was ready for unveiling one of the most powerful secrets in history of mankind. All this was done according to the prophecies, because we now have a new particle much more important with effects so powerful that are felt by all of us every second of our existence. This particle is called the stupidon, and it is the substance that carries the force of stupidity. The stupidon is a non-baryonic subatomic elementary particle that has been known as dark matter and dark energy in the past. It doesn't interact with light to save all its energy and power until it interacts with humans. Stupidons travel at infinite speed or instantly, zero time, and remember that everything divided by zero becomes infinite. The existence of stupidons would explain why other elementary particles behave in such a strange way when they are observed in quantum physics experiments at the lab, such as the double slit experiment, because they get stupid when they, right now I'm getting bad in stupidons, that's why I can read this thing. Finally, it looks like we have a theory that explains everything in nature since the beginning of the arrow of time, the S theory. Just to start testing it, why don't we make it go as far as needed to explain one of the biggest mysteries we observe in our daily lives when driving on a highway as we discussed in chapter 3, the highway mystery. It's happened to all of us who live in big cities. When traffic is heavy, bumper to bumper, and the lane we're in seems to go more slowly than all of the other lanes, we get desperate and jump into a different lane. Look at this guy. That's what he's doing. Just to find out that as soon as we change lanes, the tail lights of all the cars in front of us in the new lane light up. And all the cars come to a sudden stop, all while we can see the cars in the lane we were just in, and all the other lanes speed up. A little bit frustrated, like this guy. We change lanes again, just to realize that the new lane we're in stops and all the others speed up. We could do this for hours and the result would be the same. Well, the cause of this effect is that our stupidons, since they are subatomic particles and thus able to exist simultaneously in different places according to quantum mechanics, and moving at speeds faster than light, immediately invite the idiots in the other cars in our lane. We are with amounts reaching up to trillions and trillions of particles per nanosecond, thus making them increase the value of the natural idiocy in staggeringly large amounts. But as soon as we change lanes, the stupidons abandon that people in our lane and travel at speeds faster than light to stupidize the drivers of the cars that are in our new lane. And apparently this happens in a relation directly proportional with how much of a hurry we are to reach our destination. The bigger the hurry, the more stupidons we seem to radiate to other idiots to block our progress.